Are you wondering how to redeem your Apple gift card? In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps required to redeem your Apple gift card and start spending it on whatever you like. From finding your code to adding it to your account balance, I'll show you everything you need for a smooth and easy redemption process. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Apple App Store and then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the account page, tap where it says, Redeem Gift Card or Code. And now you have two different ways to redeem your code. You can either use your camera to scan the code or you can enter the code manually. So if you want to scan the code, tap on Use Camera and simply scan the code. And if you want to enter the code manually, simply tap where it says, Enter Code Manually. Now you can enter the code and tap the Redeem button, and the credit will be added to your Apple account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.